Let f of x equal 5x squared minus 30x plus 49. First, we will express f in vertex form. So we need to complete the square here. So we've got this leading coefficient. We're going to factor that out of these two x terms. We're left with an x squared minus 6x. And then we have our plus 49 on the outside. Next, we're going to go ahead and take this number in front of the x term and divide it by 2, and that's what we're going to put here. So we have a negative 3 there, and that's squared. And we have our plus 49, and we subtract this number squared times that number. So 3 squared times 5. And that's 9 times 5, which is 45. So 49 minus 45 is just 4. So this is 5 times x minus 3 squared plus 4. This tells us our vertex. Our vertex is hk, where this number is h and this number is k. So our vertex is at 3, 4. Okay, remember the general vertex form is a times x minus h squared plus k. So our vertex is at 3, 4. So if I wanted to graph this, I can draw my point at 3, 4. A is positive. It's a positive number. And so I know that I'm opening upward. And doesn't really, I mean, we can be careful about this and say it's going to be pretty steep because 5 is really a big number. And so we've got a parabola like this. And then maximum or minimum value of f. Now we see, well, a was positive, so it's opening upward. That means we have a minimum. And the minimum value of f is, and it's the y value of the vertex, which in this case is 4. Okay, and it occurs at x equals 3, the x coordinate of the vertex.